Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can effortlessly create scripts using the Google Gemini. So Google Gemini is an AI that will help you with some tasks. In here, for example, you can get help with a product name for a new app, playing a game night where reaction and impacts sound like an expert for an upcoming trip. So you can just open the gemini.google.com and you can just enter a prompt in here. So for example here, hi Gemini, I'm going to just write a prompt to ask Google Gemini to write me a script. I'm a content creator and I need help with scripts. The script about tutorial on how you can, for example, make Android phone faster. Okay, for example like this, and then you can just hit on enter or submit in here and then just write until the Gemini's answer the question. You can see, let's create some script idea for your Android speed up tutorial. So you need to understanding your audience, potential script ideas. Here you can see that the Gemini will help me to different approach on how you can write script, a visual demonstration, so they get me an idea on how I need to write the scripts. You can see, would you like to space for your audience? You can just write in here. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can just enter a prompt again in here. For example, script about Android phone tutorial, for example. You can just read. Okay, so you can see that this is they will give me like idea about a topic. You can see the security, protecting your phone, settings, password, using biometric and other. So if you got stuck with something, you can just find or use the Google Gemini to help you with the writer's block. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.